Tasty olive oil, not coming all the way through there with those fresh herbs. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make salsa verde. Now this is a fantastic dip. It's fantastic on meat, it's fantastic on pasta. It's just fantastic, you know, and you're using fresh herbs, olive oil. Oh man, it's so good. Let's make it, come on. Right, this is a very straightforward recipe. It's basically tip everything in and blitz it. It's that easy. Right, in with some parsley. Now this is Italian flat leaf parsley. Get that in there. We've got mint. Get our mint leaves in. Basil leaves, fresh basil. Oh, it's nearly full already. Not to worry. In with some salt. In with our capers. In with our gherkins. What I'm going to use a couple of teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Now you can use red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, entirely up to you, but I like the taste of apple cider vinegar. It's a little bit milder. And then we want 1-2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard, some olive oil, and then all we got to do is give it a blitz. And that's it guys, all we need to do now is give it a little bit of a taste test. See what it tastes like. That will be fantastic on steak. That's as easy as that guys, you know, that really is simple to make. You know, and it's quite expensive to buy in the shops actually. And you know, you can understand why if they put all the ingredients in, but you know, it's dead easy to make. So all that's left to do is transfer it to a bowl. So we want all that in there as well, don't we? You know, we don't want to waste any of that. I mean, that is quality. Take that off there. And then all we need to do is transfer that from our jug into our bowl. Oh, look at that. So there we are guys. That is salsa verde made. That is really easy. And you know, you can't beat fresh herbs. It's got that little bit of a zing there, you know, from the Dijon mustard, the apple cider vinegar, tasty olive oil, not coming all the way through there with those fresh herbs. That is so fresh. Okay, it's a vibrant colour, and to keep this a vibrant colour, we need to cover it and put cling wrap on it right onto the surface of the salsa verde. And we're going to take our cling wrap and we're going to push it down on the salsa verde. And then it's not going to be exposed to oxygen and go a blackish dark colour. We want to keep it that vibrant green. Cling wrap over the top. And there we have it. Salsa verde made. Shove it in the fridge, have it cool, eat it on meat, steak, lamb, eat it on pasta. It's fantastic. And only takes a couple of minutes to make. Obviously you've got to have the ingredients. So there you are, salsa verde made. Now if you like what we're doing guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.